Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Strutis, and if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. So in the last episode we were sandblasting primarily the power steering pump housing, and in order to make things a bit more exciting is a bit too far of a reach, but at least a bit different, a bit of variety. I thought that we would focus on the drive shafts, drive axles, which are quite nasty. So I need to clean them, and I do have new CV joint boots on the way, so they will show up tomorrow, I think. But until I have them in my hand, I would treat them as the ones I have are the only ones I have. So I will not open them up. I will sort of work around them and be careful. So let me show you the current condition. So here we have the drive shafts, drive axles. So I will clean this surface, for example. So in order to protect this boot, I will put a layer of tape over it. The same here, here, here. And I will start with the bench grinder and the wire wheel to remove as much as possible. I will also wrap the splines, etc. In tape, just to protect them, even though they are hard. Yeah, so I will do that with both, and we will see where I end up. So here we have the drive shafts prepared for cleaning. Yeah, it doesn't look very well right now, but eventually they will look okay. So I will get started with the bench grinder and wire wheel now. So here we have the drive shafts, drive axles, after a bit of work with the bench grinder and the wire wheel, which I mostly used just to loosen things up, remove big rust chunks and so on. So now I will continue with the sandblaster. So here we have the drive axles after the first round of sandblasting, and there is still some left to blast away, but overall I think they came out quite nice. So I will do like a fine-tuning sandblasting step later. I also need to clean out the old grease, put in new grease, new boots, etc. But for now I think it looks quite nice, so I call this a win. And since it's always better to end on top, I will end this episode now. So the drive axles have done their course round of sandblasting, and hopefully I get the correct CV joint boots tomorrow, so then I can move forward with more cleaning of these, more sandblasting, and then painting and reassemble. So yeah, there's still a lot of work left to do before it's running again, or even before it's back on the ground again, but we're getting there one step at a time. So until the next episode, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.